Hi class, this is Professor Cruz. I wanted to do a very quick video on Module 11, Financial Planning, which is our very last module before the final story project. In this module, you'll learn about how to calculate the cost of your education and different resources such as scholarships, loans, and other free financial aid that you can take advantage of in helping you pay for your education. One of the assignments that you will be required to complete for this module is the cost of college worksheet, and we will focus a short video on that worksheet. When you open it, you're going to notice under the instruction, there's two parts to this assignment. The first is to download the template that you will use to fill out the information for the calculating the cost of college. And the second part is a reflection on the questions that are asked here. And the second part, you can just include it as a second page on the worksheet, or you can save it as a separate document. Just make sure that you upload them together. So let's go ahead and open up the worksheet. And this is what the worksheet looks like. The very first section, you're going to notice that it's asking you specifically about Valencia's tuition for your AA degree. So when you go back to the module, there is a section there that talks about tuition and fees. And right here, it gives you the example on different schools. But if you go to Valencia College tuition and fees, it breaks down some of the information already that you're going to need to complete this. So if you go back to the worksheet, it's asking you for the number of credits. And you can get this from your academic blueprint assignment. But for an AA degree, typically you need at least 60 credits. And then it's asking you the cost per credit. So you'll want to go here. And the total here, when you add all this up, it's 10306. So in this section, you would probably start off with putting 60 credits at a minimum, and then at 10306 per credit hour. And then you would give an estimate on some of the other sections, potential estimated financial aid, scholarships, etc. And then you would add up all the information there. The next piece is on the university's tuition. And so if you know you're going to UCF, the module already has a section there as well. But if you're unsure, here in the announcement, I also included a link to a website called College Navigator. And this is a great tool that you can use to search different schools and see what the cost of education is as well. So here's an example for Rollins College. You would search Rollins there. It would populate. And there's a section here that says tuition fees and estimated expenses. This is where you could use kind of as a snapshot and put that information into the worksheet for the university's information. So that's what the worksheet looks like. So once you fill all that information there, just remember the next piece is to make sure that you do the reflection piece, and you could do that in a separate Word document, or you can add a page to the worksheet and just complete those questions there.